Hi everyone, it's Daniella and welcome to my thunderstorm. It is thunderstorming out and I'm like, eek. So I hope the video gets made before anything bad should happen, like power problems. So nothing but positivity here. That's it. And how are you? I hope you're doing awesome, and I'm glad that I, am back and trying. Can you hear that? The thunder? I like a thunderstorm, but not when I'm trying to do something or drive. Anyway, so I have the brand new Tonic craft kit in its brand new snazzier what the heck? I'm glad I didn't show the Halloween paper today. That would be weird. Tonic has completely redesigned their craft kits, and now they're all sleek and nice, and I opened it expecting what? A ton of the noodles. But wait, there's also a gnat. I don't know what's mass hysteria is going on here. I'm not sure what is going on. If you can see me now, you can see my hands going. So they how I put this, they've redesigned it and it's awesome. And no, I did not try them out, the dyes yet, but the reason this time is because look at what it looks like when you open the box. Ta-da! How snazzy is that, right? And here's just so you can see the top of the box. Hello, we hope you enjoy your craft kit. Thank you, Tonic. Hello to you. And okay, whoa. So, this is completely awesome. We got that guy, and this guy, and look, all of my Nouveau drops and stuff like that are now in this bag, and this is the stamps and dies in this beautiful shiny smooth folder, and a new binder that is again white and silver and smooth, and then look, the papers come in like a folio. So let me put this down over here and put everything else down so we can go through everything. It's so exciting. I was like, wow. And the funny thing is, I think they also switched around certain things. I remember, unless I'm crazy, oh, another white. I just don't know if it's too much, if it's good. Okay, so they used to like show if you were gonna get a kit when you were signing up for August, the beginning of the month, they would show you the beginning of of July, they would show you what was going to be in August's kit. So that's like, almost 2 months away, and then at the end somewhere you would get the kit that they showed you in the beginning of January. So it was kind of weird, and now they say we will show you a preview. I think it said like the 10th, and then your kit will ship on the 20th. Like, no, that can't be true because today is the 6th. Unless that's what they're doing. I don't know. But they're showing you your kit and you're getting the kit in a faster amount of time. So that's a good thing. You can go to their website and, click buy the kit and then frequently asked questions, whatever. Now look, it's like a folio. It's a snazzy folio. It's very shiny and silver and awesome. Ugh, look at this paper, huh? These are bigger circles and they have lines in them. Cool. Love it. Craft Perfect in blue. And, you know, it's leave on one side, smooth on the other. Leave, smooth. So yeah, that's their classic card. We got a blue, we got a purple, we got a pink. Ooh. Look at this paper. Can you see? Oh yeah, you can see great. And white paper. Smooth on both sides. This is holographic paper, as you can see, and it is crazy. It will be awesome. I just don't think it'll be cool. I don't want the camera to freak out. More of this kind of paper where it almost looks like it was wrinkled. It's got a sheen to it. And this is a really pretty glitter, isn't it? Awesome. Alright, so put these guys back in their folio. So fancy. This is like professional stuff. Yep. So now we have the binder to put the stuff in here in. So let's open up this guy. Oh my goodness. This is the Serendipitous Purse Box. I did see the preview, and these are super cute. They remind me of the ones that I have that I made one of. They make albums, little purse albums, but this is much smaller, but it's very cute. Obviously you make two of these and put them together. These are the verso, so you can cut in. And over there. You can visit their craft room. This is, oh, did you see that? Anyway, these are a couple of the purses. Their birthday week is the 26th of July to the 1st of August. 20% off. I think we all need to remember that. And look what's coming. Great news, Kid subscribers get 20% off on the store during birthday week. Yummy. Alright, so anyway, that's the one side of the Serendipitous Purse Box. And then these are, I can tell this one would say thanks, best wishes maybe, and something else for you with love. And you can put all of these versos into all of these and fit into all of those. You know how Tonic does. And these are the stamps. Thank you, love, lots of love, best wishes, special day, all those. Now I'm curious, I just noticed, and look, these are like tags to put on your box. Isn't that cute? Oh, and then you can put something there. cool. So that's that stuff. This I'm keeping out. And I'm going to keep that other one in here in case I happen to forget, which I won't, what is in my box, because my box is awesome. I feel like I'm taking the longest time ever trying to get my hat on straight. Thunderstorms. Husband isn't home yet. But just a little rain. You may not like it, but we need it. So, okay, I'm gonna put this guy into my my binder. What's up, guy? There he is. Okay. Binder, folio. Now, I'm so excited to look in this bag. It's like a mystery. And then, ready? Should I just pour it out? Oh my goodness. And this empty, and this is such a cute bag. I totally reuse that. I don't want to, these are obviously Nuvo drops. These are Nuvo crystal drops in the color metallic navy blue. Wow. It'll match my nails. And this is Pure Sheen Sequin Spring Rose. Oh, it's matte. Dookie. Oh my gosh, my husband, he said yesterday at work that he saw a cricket and, you know, said like, you know, shoo or whatever, and he went into a different room and all of a sudden he felt something on his neck and the cricket jumped up, I don't know, climbed up, whatever. It was going to be, it was almost on his face. And then of course he, you know, probably had to act tough for all the gang at work, I don't know, but came home and told me about it. One time he saw a stick bug at work and he shut the door where it was and didn't open it again. I'm like, you are, I can't. So yeah, he had a cricket on him. And I think, why was Jiminy Cricket so cool? Hi Spike, yeah, what happened? You thought I was talking to you? You're so cute. Okay, we've got some Nuvo Glimmer Paste used to create vibrant dimensional shimmer. Trying to see the color. Galactica Blue, I think. Very small. Okay, moving on. This is a mister. Either it's a sample or it's a mini. Hey, there usually is a whole thing that gives you all of the stuff that's in the kit. This is Mica Mist, ideal for adding shimmer and sparkle to a creative project. Midnight Horizon, very nice. And this, a glue runner. Who doesn't need a glue runner always? So, and I like them. Tape runner. This is Wild Mulberry, another glitter marker. I'm getting a whole set of glitter markers. Not really, but this is my bug. That 1, 2, 3. This is my 6th one that they've sent me. no duplicates either, so that's pretty cool. And last but not least, I'm dying to see what this, I mean, I can tell what it is, but this is the very special fancy Tonic Studios pen. Like, am I part of the club now, or what? I feel like really important. Look, you spin it. I can tell you spin it, because clearly it's not a click time. Spin, spin, spin. Of course, I'm in a craft room and I have nothing to write. Oh, okay, yeah, I do. I lied. Sorry. Yep. Let's see the ink. The ink. The ink in the pen. Ink. Black. And it writes really nice, like smooth. Look, my paper's like all wobbly. All my hearts are coming out. It's silly. Okay, there you go. There you have it. That's all I got. But I was too excited when I got my kit that I wanted to hurry up, make sure I got here as quick as I could to show you what was in it, and tell you all about how cool it looks now that they have changed their changed it to this new, very professional looking kit. And so that's it. That's all I got. So thank you all so much for watching and for all of your kind words. I was so appreciative of you being so kind about me being missing for so long. You are all awesome. That's it. The end. And who knows what videos I've got coming. I don't know what I'm doing as usual, but hopefully I'll see you soon. Stay awesome, everyone. Bye.